Introducing Google Sheet Connector for Avada Forms by GSheetConnector, the most powerful bridge between Avada Forms and Google Sheets. Avada theme is the #1 selling WordPress theme at ThemeForest. If you have designed your forms through Avada Forms and are required to get the form submissions into the Google Sheet, then this add-on plugin is for you. Simply, you need to authenticate with Google. Along with Google Drive and Google Sheet permissions. After successful authentication, it will show activated, and your connected email address will be shown. Then click to Fetch Sheets will helps to sync all the spreadsheets from your connected email account. Then let's configure Google Sheet Feeds tab and click on Add a new feed. Name the feed and select the form you want to connect with Google Sheet. Then edit the feed and click to fetch the fields, and then save the form fields. Choose the appropriate sheet from the list or manually add a Google Sheet details. Now all your form fields will be shown. Select the fields you want in Google Sheets by enabling the toggle. After selecting the required fields, you can rearrange them and rename them. Additionally, you can freeze the header to make it sticky in Google Sheets. You can customize the header with background colors for odd-even rows and sort sheets in ascending or descending order. That's it. If you have form entries in the sheet, then you can sync all past form entries to the sheet by clicking on Sync All Submissions. Click Submit Data, and all selected fields will automatically appear in Google Sheets. Now, whenever the form will be filled, the submissions will be shown in this sheet automatically in a real time. Let's fill the form now and test to see how it works. You can see the form submissions in the sheet. Now it works automatically for all the form submissions. Avada Forms Google Sheet Connector is available to download, and already thousands of people are using it. Let's start using